Pa si dobro pismeno?
Da.
Meni su trebali ovaj mjesec polovicom. Rekli su, rekli su u roku 16 dana, ako ne da im mogu telefonu zvati. Šta će se dati 11 dana? Jeste kopio od ovih koji su bili uveli? Meni ne slušno staviti, kako je u ovom knjižicu da stažu. Mislim, ne stažu. Jesi dobio ti? Pa jesi dobro pismeno?
Da.
Meni su trebali ovaj mjesec polovicom. Rekli su, rekli su u roku 16 dana, ako ne da im mogu telefonu zvati. Šta će se dati 11 dana?
마지막에 이스탄불을 봤지.
Crew outdoors hold watches and crochet.
Flag marked pull. Pulling the mask towards you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, you may assist others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the brace position as shown on the screen. Your life jacket is either beside or underneath your seat. When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten.
جهات الطاقم يجب إخراج سترة النجاة وارتداؤها. اربط الحزام حول خصرك وادخل المشبك.
Cabin crew take your seat for takeoff.
this is a non-smoking flight and the use of electronic cigarettes is strictly prohibited. The cabin services director for this flight is Mr. Carroll, and the cabin senior is Ms. Rima. And we will be happy to offer any assistance you may require throughout the flight. We will be shortly serving you warm sandwiches. Our in-flight entertainment is also about to begin. For further details, please refer to your copy of the in-flight entertainment guide in the seat pocket in front of you. Thank you. All other duty-free products such as solid cosmetic, cigarettes purchased aside at any airport on their journey can be taken through. The duty-free liquid may be carried in addition to the one piece of cabin baggage that is allowed per passenger. All other items must be carried within the hand luggage. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Budapest. We have just landed in Budapest Lisbon International Airport, where the local time is 3:10 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. Customers requiring boarding passes for their own connections are requested to coordinate with the ground staff. Customers holding onward boarding passes are advised to check the flight information display for gate assignment information. Qatar Airways prepared hotel in Budapest is Four Seasons Hotel, Gresham Palace. Please be informed that it is now safe to use your mobile phones if you wish to do so. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the One World Alliance, Captain Luis, and the crew, we hope you have enjoyed your flight today and thank you for flying Qatar Airways. Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the next time you fly with us, check in online at QatarAirways.com, enhance your experience and save time at the airport. Choose your seat, print your boarding pass, and use the fast bag drop counters at the airport to check in your luggage with ease. QatarAirways.com, it couldn't be simpler. Thank you.
Cabin crew is all doors.